Hey guys, Hackerspot here, back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to crack wireless password using Airmon NG. So now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your terminal and just type iwconfig, and what this does is actually will displaying your wireless adapter for you and all your interfaces. So as you can see guys, I'm in the managed mode. So what should I do? I should change the managed mode to the monitor mode. To do that, simply just type airmon ng start wlan 0 and hit enter. Now as you can see guys, I'm on the monitor mode. To confirm, just type iwconfig again. As you can see, I'm on the monitor mode. So let me clear this up. Just type arrow dump ng wlan 0 mon. What this does is actually scanning your networks around you. So let me hit enter. There's two networks or two wireless around me. So now let's just press Ctrl C to stop scanning. Ctrl plus C to stop the scanning. Now type arrow dump ng, and then you need to specify the channel. In this case my channel is 4. As you can see, I need to type 4. Then you need to specify the BSS ID. What BSS ID is the MAC address of your router. So select the BSS ID and just copy it, paste it here, and then you need to save the captured file in home directory or desktop or anywhere else. So I need to specify root. In this case I will put it in the desktop and then give it a name, and in this case I will put my channel's name and then write the interface name and hit enter. As you can see, it will put the captured file in your desktop. So open up a new terminal or a new window. Now guys, there is two devices on this wireless. This is the MAC address of the router, and this is the MAC address of the device that connected to the router. So I will use a deauthentication attack to put the device out of the network or wireless. So just type airplay ng -0 -0 -a, and then put the router's MAC address, and then type your interface name. In this case mine is wlan 0 mon. So hit enter. As you can see, I get the WPA handshake. So excellent. As these beacons get to 1000, we will stop the attack. as you can see. Now just press Ctrl+C to stop the attack, and then clear this up. And what we will use is we will use aircrack ng to crack the wireless password for us. So we will just type aircrack ng and minus the minus w, or the w parameter. It's used for the word list in your computer or in your PC. In this case, I'm using this word list, and I'll put the word list into the description below so you can download this word list. Now in this case it's in desktop, so just root desktop, and then the name of the word list, so it's number.list, and then you need to specify the handshake file, which is in here, our desktop. It's in our desktop. Name it hackerspot.cap. okay, so just copy the cap file, and then just write root desktop / the name of the captured file. Just hit enter. As you can see, the wireless has been cracked so easily. So now let's check it up, see if it's working or not. So clear this up or close the terminals. Open up a new terminal and just type airmon ng stop wlan 0 mon. Hit enter. Let's select the input 11223344. Let's connect. Let's see if it's working or not. As you can see, now I'm connected to the wireless. Now guys, this is the end of the video, and if you're new to my channel, just click on the subscribe button.